Hello everybody, we got an interesting one today. This is a rare car. This is the Nissan Leaf electric car. Push to start. We are connected to the vehicle. We're going to go with the programmer to the year. I believe it's a 2016 if I'm not mistaken. And we are setting up the machine now for the programming. Hazard lights are on. We are plugged in down there to the OBD. It's a little bit of a messy car. And when we program these keys, the old ones will erase automatically. And smart key learning. All the old keys will erase. Okay, we got to press this for 2 seconds or more. The ignition comes on. All right, we're going to turn it off and touch the logo to the button and back it out. And the security light is blinking at us, which is a good sign. We're going to turn it off and do it again with the second key. Push it in, back it out. The security light is blinking 5 times. That's a good sign. And we're going to close the programming procedure out by taking the first key. Let the dashboard come on. And we are done. The buttons work. 1, 2. And that's it. That's how you program a Nissan Smart Key for a Nissan Leaf. We're going to check the car that it starts. And it does. Again, this is an electric car, so you don't hear any engines. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching Nissan Leaf. Have a good day.